right? So you have to separate it into components. Well, to get your components, you have to use SOHCAHTOA, right? If this is 30 degrees, what is it, 30 degrees? 40 degrees. 40 degrees, okay? So, if we have our hypotenuse and we have the angle, we can find the other sides. Sine of 40 is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, right? Yeah. You guys are following me here?
Yep.
Sine of 40 is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. VIY is the opposite side. This is not a 0, this is an O. This is the opposite side, right? Because our 40 degrees is with the x-axis. So the VIY, the vertical component, happens to be the opposite side here. VIX is the adjacent side, right? So, when we do SOHCAHTOA, we have our hypotenuse. It's
it takes 2 minutes for people.
5 meters per second.
It's watching you.
Okay, that's our hypotenuse.
Someone
Sine of
voted
40 equals
one person.
our opposite side, which is VIY.
You're ruining the shot. People might have to clip this.
Someone's watching now.
Yeah, they
I
have
can
to.
multiply both sides by 5, and I get 5 times
No one's
the
watching
sine
now.
of 40 equals
Watch the pencil, Carlton.
VIY.
Watch the pencil.
Is everybody following me here? This is basic trig. Basic
Yep.
trig. So this is like grade 10 trig. If you didn't learn it, maybe it's not your fault, maybe it's your teacher's fault. I don't know. Okay.
Are you done yet?
But this is basic trig.
I will
Okay? So you
dox
guys
you.
need to be able to do this
Exactly.
one day.
It's not very nice.
This is basic trig, okay? So we'll go back. So this is VIY. This is the vertical component of the initial velocity. Okay, you cannot use the initial velocity. You have to take the vertical component. Okay? So back here, we're using our components. VIY and VIX. VIX is V times or 5 times the cosine of 40. VIY is 5 times the sine of 40. Right? X is cosine, Y is sine, because our angle is with the horizontal. If our angle is with the vertical, it'd be flipped. But our angle is with the horizontal, so our cosine is pretty much always going to be the X component. Our sine is pretty much always going to be the Y component. Okay?
Whoa, that's crazy.
So we have our VX.
What happened to your like
We
devoted?
don't have our D,
What happened to your
right? We don't have our DX.
How does it know? What's upside?
And we don't have our T.
What did he say?
This.
Okay? What are we trying to
That's
find
probably
here? When the
translated.
question says,
Hey, two
where
people.
does the shot land?
What is up,
What are we
everybody?
trying to find? E?
How's everybody stay going?
D what? DX. Okay, we're trying to find
What is up,
how
Cal?
far away the shot put went.
6
So
viewers.
DX is what we're trying to find. Do we have enough to find it right now?
Yes.
No,
Oh,
we
no.
have VX. What do we need to find it?
I'm new to
T.
YouTube. Well, you should
Right? If you want to
subscribe
find
then.
one of these 3, you need the other 2.
Be my. I'll
So
be your first subscriber.
we need to find T. Let's figure out, how do we find T? Equation 3? Maybe. But we use the Y components, is where I'm
That's
going.
cool.
We use the Y components. Okay? We always have
What is
acceleration
up? And
units.
like,
So, I don't know,
Subscribe.
somebody let me borrow your formula sheet. I don't have one of your formula sheets.
Fine.
Thank you.
you in school right now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Equation 1. I want you guys to look at equation 1, all right? Equation 1, what are you
right
missing?
here.
What are you missing? You're missing
down to 2.
acceleration. If we're
Yeah,
working with
600.
projectile motion, do you ever want to use that equation?
Yes.
No, because we always have A.
Hey, what's up?
A is
Isabel?
always negative 9.8 meters per second
Yeah.
squared.
Who said 6, 7?
Negative 9.81 meters per second squared. So realistically, you could use this equation sometimes, but you don't need to. A is an
You guys should
easy
subscribe.
piece of information that you always have.
Bro, 9 people watching.
It's
It's like a new
9.81
record.
meters per second squared.
I
Okay,
got
what else do we have?
109.
We have our
That's my
VIY.
record.
We have our initial velocity. For most of these questions, guys, you have your initial velocity. So that's another one that we have. VIY equals 5 times the sine of 40
Great.
meters per second. What are we trying to find?
Yeah, I'm in school chat.
What are we trying to find here?
T.
T, because we need T to
That's
get
all me.
dx. So we're trying to find dx, we need T to get that,
Do you need the answer?
so we need T.
Values?
You can give them to me in a
I low-key
second.
hate the fact that teachers
So
get paid,
we
but we
need to
don't.
find T, so
They're
we need to
teaching
have an
us
equation
stuff.
that uses T, right? Because that's what we're trying to find here.
But low-key,
What else
you're
do we
right.
have?
Wait a minute. Are you
do
concentrating
we
while
have?
streaming? Because if you are, then that's a wow.
We're trying to figure out where the shot put lands, right? So
Yeah.
we're trying to find out where is the shot put on the ground.
We have 2.2 meters.
We have the 2.2 meters, and that is what to us?
Being for real. Exactly. Yeah,
That's
I'm in
DY.
school chat.
So our 2.2 meters,
We got supplies.
Is our
teacher
DY.
right now.
Would that be negative?
and it would be negative because the shot
I'm in
put
physics.
is going down.
Down, yeah.
Okay? Now, I don't want you guys to be putting in 2.2 meters for no reason. I want you guys to understand why you're putting in 2.2 meters. It's because the shot put is on the ground. It started in the air at
Yeah.
2.2 meters. We are looking for the time it takes for it
At
to
least
go
it's 9 from me.
from 2.2
Wow.
meters up to on the ground. That distance is negative 2.2 meters. Okay? So, what equation do we use here? Equation 3. That makes sense. Okay, so we do D equals
Are you live
VIT
streaming though?
plus
3 will.
1/2 A
And you guys should
T
subscribe.
squared.
That's why.
Okay.
Begging for subs.
So our D, oh wait,
I just skip today, bro. You can't be skipping school chat.
is there an undo button?
Turn this on, turn what on?
Okay, so this is negative 2.2. Our VIY is 5 times the sine of 40.
I don't know.
Which
What is
is,
up?
what is that?
Man.
VIY. The 3.2? I think
Oh,
it's
brother, you're
3.2.
looking great. Appreciate it.
5 times 40, yeah, 3.21.
Well, lighting
Okay.
sucks in here.
Plus 1/2, negative 9.8 times
Who
T
said gay?
squared. Okay?
And that's why I get lost, because I like the square and then out to rearrange it to get the T.
Right. So what kind of equation do we have here, you guys?
Colin
kind of
looks
equation?
brain dead.
does.
Quadratic.
Quadratic.
You should
So what do we do to find the values in the quadratic equation?
You gotta rearrange
Are
it
you
and make it equal to
Great, live in school?
Quadratic.
Yeah, you look like Sheldon. That's a compliment.
No, that's not what I
0
I don't know if that's a compliment.
negative
That's just
4.9.
Like, that's not what I'm thinking about, like, what's it called?
Yeah.
Don't read the question.
This guy's trying to cover the live stream. Can't let him.
Plus 2.2. Okay? We put that in the quadratic formula, and it tells us what? What does that tell us?
I don't know.
The T.
Yo,
It
you
gives
do
us
the
the two
best
T values, right? Right? Because the
What?
quadratic formula,
Next time.
the quadratic formula gives us the roots. It gives us the points
Guys
at
are
which
so
the
weird.
quadratic, the parabola, is crossing the x-axis. So it gives us two values. One of them is negative, one of them is positive. One of them we discard because we don't care about that one. But it still means something. So if you think about it, the negative t value tells you that this many seconds ago, your displacement was reached, right? So, what do I mean by that?
Let's talk the
2.2 meters down.
You guys are
There's
so
two,
weird.
when you have a
You
parabola,
want your own website? Not really. What would I need my own website for?
when you
If I
have a
did, I would use
parabola,
AI. Does not let Big Shot in my
this is where we're
I'm out.
starting. Okay? This is where we're starting. We want to find out this point. We want to find the time it takes to get to this point.
I want this stupid chair.
T
I'm a
here
video
equals
editor.
1.1 seconds if you do the quadratic formula. T here equals negative 0. What was it?
I didn't do anything.
4 seconds.
Whoa, where did
So I'm just giving you
Where did
a
that
little
copy
extra
go?
information. It's not super useful because
I don't
you're not going
need
to use
people
this
to
T-value.
edit my videos.
But it still means something. It
I
means
just need
0.4
to
seconds
stop
ago,
procrastinating.
you were on the ground,
Soup man, you win
which
class.
is not
right?
real. The shot put was in the air. But
Yeah, I'm a
if
class.
the shot put, if you reverse time and you go
I'm gonna
0.4
reverse time
seconds,
now.
then you get 2.2 meters downwards, which is what we're looking for. So this is our time value.
Yeah, where else would I
Okay.
think?
Then you have the initial,
So we have our T value, we have our Vx, we can now find Vx.
Hmm,
when it
Okay?
gets shot at the end.
what do we need?
And this is as simple as V equals Vx.
Wanna know what's on there right now to go see if I'm out.
I know that was a little bit convoluted.
Say hi to the viewers.
That's what we're doing.
Tell them Speed McQueen is here. Hilton, tell them Speed McQueen is here.
5 times the cosine
Ian McQueen collab.
Not the live streaming classic.
times 1.1 seconds.
Flex and chat.
What's up, chat? What the? Are you doing in school right now? I don't know. Live streaming.
What's that? Is everybody following me on this one?
Oh
I
yeah.
went on a little
I got 4.2.
cocktail there, but
8 p.m.
It is not 8 p.m. It's 2:23.
I got 4.2.
Yo, she ain't bro, what's going on? Are you Asian?
okay.
Of course, yes, he's in school. Yes, you're in school. No, chat. I'm at my house right now. That's really big. That's, someone said his ears on stream.
I'm going to move on
What's up,
to
Joshua?
part B. What is the final velocity of the shot as it lands? How do we calculate the final velocity?
Final velocity, you use the equation 3.
It's equation 3.
Oh no, oh that's
We're solving for the
missing.
final
Not
velocity.
3.
Equation 2 or 4?
We're solving for the final velocity.
You in high school? Yeah. Who's calling me a nerd?
Equation 2.
Imagine if your teacher
We have our VI.
notices you're on stream.
We have our A.
I think they noticed.
And we have our T.
They just don't really care. They don't get paid
Our
enough.
T is
You
1.1
dare
seconds.
you to say.
Our A is negative
I do
9.8
hate school
meters
chat.
squared, and our
Sharpshooter. He has an accent. Not a man live. Or live.
the value that we have.
I don't
So
know.
here's
How
something.
was
Here's a
it
key
like
point,
being
you
born in
guys.
2012? I wasn't.
I already went over this, but these equations, we're using them for one direction at a time.
A band.
Again, you cannot put 5
Guys,
meters per
life-
second in
life
for
is
VI.
live.
You cannot put in your
What
initial
do you teach
velocity.
in
It's a
school?
vector.
I don't teach in school.
These are not vector equations.
I'm a student
Okay.
at school. My
You can put
autocorrect
in
dog,
your
yeah.
components.
Yes, I'm in school. How many times
Okay.
do I have to say that?
So we're putting in
Hey, you got 10 likes.
our VIY
Mhm.
and our A and our
bet
T,
that
and we
worked.
find VF.
Courses in high school.
I got
Yeah.
negative 7.5.
If I look like this in college, oh my gosh, you're a handsome dude. That's crazy.
Okay?
Wow.
Now
VPNs.
keep in mind, guys, this is not our final velocity.
Hey, your teacher sounds like he's ranting.
Yes, this is a component
Yeah.
of our final velocity.
I hear it.
Okay? Remember, we're
Truth or
separating.
dare,
We're
we are
keeping
not
our
doing this in school.
directions separate. This is our y
At
velocity.
7 p.m. It's
We have our
guys,
x
you
velocity.
not understand
because it
of
doesn't
like
change.
time
There's no
zones.
acceleration in the x direction. So we have to
It's still
vector
2
sum
o'clock for
these
me,
two,
Chad.
put
Okay,
them
you
together,
probably have different
find the
times.
hypotenuse.
Exactly.
Keep in mind as well, your velocity is not complete without a direction. So this is our VFY, and our VX is, I think, 3.2.
No, I don't understand time. Hello, I'm new here. Why are you filming? I didn't even thought you're a teacher. Are they gonna
What's
get
our
your phone?
VX? Oh yeah, it's not 3.2.
Like I said, they don't get paid enough to get my phone.
What's our VX? 3.8.
For real, it's too fuck. Me, when I don't understand anything the teacher
So
says,
now,
is saying I act like I
we
understand.
have
it,
our
but I don't
VX.
understand.
It
Exactly.
goes like this.
How do you do this?
We have our VY. It goes down like this. So this,
We don't have a test coming up, right?
this is our VF.
I dare you to
And
go
you
to the
have to
teacher and say
find this
Belmo
angle.
class. Oh, wow. No.
And this is basic trig.
Alright, I'm in
Okay, I'm not
Pennsylvania.
gonna go
Please
over this with you guys
don't.
because I've already gone over
I'm not.
the same
I'm in
principle.
Ontario.
It's basic trig. You have the components, you can find the result.
In my country, where I was in school, you weren't even allowed to carry a phone into school. Technically, I'm not supposed to have my phone. Technically, they don't care. Say 6'7", 6'7".
Where you are.
Hello, I may.
Okay, so we're gonna go over 2C.
I have a
What is the
shout out
maximum
to
height
Miles.
of the shot?
That's not the same.
So let's go over this, guys. What is the maximum height of the shot? What do we need?
No, Canada.
What do we need to figure out the maximum height?
Gravity.
dy is what we need.
Child application.
So
Okay, we
X
don't have to say slurs.
is y
But velocity finals.
So we go to other and to see
Y
is 2 dollars.
is what we need.
I'm from UK. Okay, chat.
I thought we already figured out dy. Why? Didn't it give us dy?
No,
I don't know.
the end
This
is.
is a different dy.
This is that.
Yes.
You want.
Yes.
I mean, bro.
Okay.
Literally, I know for you. Crazy.
For these
BKS and
questions-
Chad, by the way. Crazy, bro.
For projectile motion questions, guys,
I'm Irish.
there's lots of different values
Okay,
on this
no,
line.
country. And this is Maltese.
This one
To the
has
dude behind you.
a dy
Something, I
of
don't know.
negative 2.2
Something. I don't know.
meters. This one does not.
Okay,
That is a different dy. We are trying to figure out what are our values that we need,
Are you
along
from
this
Asia or else?
parabola.
I'm not from Asia.
okay? And we can
You're not
decide
from
what they
Asia,
are.
do I?
But in this,
We're starting right here, right?
displacement.
This is the, at this point, we have the initial velocity. We can make this point
So,
our initial velocity if we want.
so this.
But we don't know what it is, so we're not gonna do that,
But.
right?
Uh-huh.
So, we're trying to figure out
What's up, Dennis?
what is the displacement between the max height
He just ran you out.
and our initial launch point.
I mean, it's not really obvious. I'm talking
Okay?
to my
That
phone.
is what we can find. We know our VI, we know our acceleration.
I'm not doing truth or dare, Chad.
And we know our VF.
That was a sport.
So guys, what is our VF if we're trying to find the max height?
Because this is.
He's selling.
0.
Usually.
Why is it 0?
Because when it reaches that.
Tell the guy I am in your dreams.
Because
guy's
the y,
in the
the y component of the velocity
To subtract our original.
at
Give me a damn
the
idea.
apex of the
Jump off
curve
the
is
bridge.
0.
No.
So we're trying to find our values between here and here.
It would have looked.
So
I don't know.
we're trying to, what
6'7".
what we're doing here
No, never.
is we have our information at this point, we have our information at this point, and we're trying to figure out what's in between. So our t, if we're doing these
Did my teacher
points on
say
the
that?
parabola, gives us the time it takes to go from here to here. Our
I'm
d
not saying it.
gives us the distance between here and here. Our vi is the velocity here, our vf is the velocity here, and our acceleration is constant throughout. Does that make sense? We
They
can't
said Ben looks
just throw
depressed.
values into these equations.
I can see it.
We have to know
God
at
bless
what
you.
point
Like
along the
calling you
parabola
depressed.
are these values the
His
true
stream is
values.
calling you depressed.
Can you
Okay.
go back there? No, I cannot. I will give you $100. You can.
This is the dy
Say that
that we're
each of the
trying to
time.
find. So how do we find it?
I don't know.
dy.
This is the dy that
No
we're trying to
emotion.
find.
That's
How do we find it?
So can we use this chart for like everything we do, even if
We got no.
It's just to help you keep track.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Is this biology class? I don't think so.
So we can look at the x, and we can say we know what our vi,
What?
our vx is. We don't know what our t is because we don't know how long it takes to get to the max height. And we don't know what our tx is. So let's look at our y components instead. VIY. We know what that is. A, we know what that is. dy is what we're trying to find. What's the last thing that we need? Final velocity. Which is what? 0. Okay?
and you also
So-
need time, right?
We don't need time because we have these three. If we're looking at our y components, guys, if we have 3 things, we can find the other 2. Always. We just need 3. Because in each of our equations, there's only 4 variables, and if we have 3 of them, we can figure out the 4th. Okay? And I want you guys to remember this. If you're looking for the max height, you know what VF is. Sorry, you know what VFY is. If you're looking for the max height, you know what VFY is. It's 0. That is not VF. VF, you have to take into consideration the x component. But your VFY is 0. That means you can use these equations. Okay? So, we have these 3 things. We're looking for this one. What equation do we use? Equation 4.
Oh. Oh shoot! Still 11 people watching.
Squared equals VIY squared.
See, they can't see me.
So I didn't actually do questions.
watching anymore.
Mr. Vanderweel told me to do
When it says
2, 3, 4, and 6 on projected motion, and 2, 3, 4, 5 on reflex questions. That's what he told me to do.
I like doing it like
Oh, he told you to do it? He gave you homework?
Did you write it?
Pretty much, because he wanted me to go over these questions with you guys today.
Yeah, but he gets paid for it, so.
What's that?
No, I don't think he actually does.
Really?
Can I cook up one? Yes. The review questions are the 2D motion questions.
Have you seen the test already?
No. I don't know.
On a scale of 1 to 10,
For me,
What time is
yeah.
No, let's do it tomorrow.
For you
Because
guys,
he's
I
not
don't
here
know.
today.
Depends on where you're at.
it? That's really good.
Sorry,
I got a 58 if you're wondering.
Thanks, Sienna.
You're welcome.
I might have to. But we haven't studied the last
Let's go over another one. Do we want a projectile motion question or a review question?
Not another one.
beneficial if we did a difficult one.
What's that?
It would be beneficial if we did a difficult one.
Be beneficial.
That last one was difficult?
I thought it was difficult.
We spent all that time doing one
No, we
question.
did 2.
Oh.
Yes, it's you.
So should I do the review tonight?
There's gonna be something similar to what we
Is
did.
the last question
Alright.
one of the hardest
I'll actually do
questions or easier questions?
On the test or on here?
Wait, who's your driver instructor again?
I'm here. The test,
I didn't even look
If
at
you raise her up,
it's definitely one of the easier.
like,
Let's do
This is-
question
wanna go for a ride?
4. Let's do question 4.
And
on
just
the
start
review
speeding?
question. Question 4 on the review. So, the review question says, for question 4, a boat wants to directly cross a 400-meter...
What did the one boat say to the other
That's
boat?
heading north. So the river,
Are you interested
It's like
in a
this.
romance?
this
Get it like row?
is 400 meters.
Romance.
That's not.
I try not to.
You guys get the point. That's 400 meters, okay?
Doesn't look like it.
The boat wants to go directly across it. So that means this is the desired resultant motion. Straight across, right? This is north. The river is flowing at 2 meters per second.
He knows he only
So
knows
that
what
means-
we know.
I'll draw it
If he
separately
took
on
the
the side.
test,
The
you would
boat
probably get a better grade than me.
wants to go like
I
this.
really think you would.
The river is moving like this.
It's just been so long for him.
Okay? So that means the boat has to actually travel, or the heading of the boat has to complete the triangle.
No way.
Okay?
Who do?
So this is our resultant vector. This is where the boat actually wants to travel. This is 2 meters per second. This is the
And you
motion of
have
the
a
river.
driver's license.
And this vector is the heading of the boat. This is how,
Are you
this is the
kidding?
boat's speed relative to
Oh.
the river,
I don't have
relative to the water.
Bro. You're good.
400
You should take my
is
license.
distance, not a velocity.
Take your
This is 8
They're
meters
never
per
gonna
second,
know the difference.
Because that's what the speed that the boat is capable of. That's the speed the boat is capable of.
Just take the glasses off.
Hold up, I am correct.
Very good.
Because you're only gonna have to learn. Like, sure, I got to
So
drive at this tone.
this is the direction that the boat wants to travel.
You curved. Shot in the neck.
Jack. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what you guys have to consider when you're doing this question. All right, this is what you have to keep in mind. What do we have and what do we want? What we want is the resultant vector, but we know that the heading of the resultant vector. So this is kind of where the confusion comes in, because on a different question, it would give you the heading and the speed of the airplane or something,
you
and it would
can't
give you
go
the
up.
heading and the speed of
They
the
won't let
wind,
you try.
and you would have to calculate where the
But
plane
like
actually
the
ends
first
up going.
lesson, you don't do anything. Driving.
But this is different.
Like, it's just
This gives you the
turning the
heading
wheel.
of the resultant vector
But next lesson,
and the speed
you need it.
of this vector, the vector of its motion relative to the water. But it doesn't give you the heading of this vector, and it doesn't give you the
Good day.
speed of this one. But you still have what you need, right? You have
You
one of
have
the
a
headings, you have
wallet?
one of the speeds.
You put your
So you still
Yeah,
have
but
what you
don't bring
need.
it
This is
with
90
us, right?
degrees. This
My
is
mom
2
told me,
meters. This is
bring your
the
wallet to school every
motion
day.
of the river.
Fast,
This is the
cash,
motion of the boat
kids,
relative to the
and
water.
have your
So,
license.
like Reed said, we can do Pythagorean theorem. R equals square root.
You will have to ask for it every single time.
If it doesn't say how long it is,
And that is our velocity question done,
We get
right?
away with it.
Yes. But question is not done because it said, where must the boat
It could
head
work.
in order to
That's
reach
literally
its
me.
destination? So you have
Do you have any idea
this
on it?
motion, but actually, now that I think about it, I don't think you even need that. Oh, no,
We
you
have
do.
a
You
picture
do
of my
need
health
that.
card.
So the first part of the question is, where must the boat head? So we have the speed that it travels at, but we need the heading.
Mm.
We need the angle. Remember guys, with velocity questions, you need the direction. Velocity is not a scalar, it's a vector. So velocity is not complete without direction. So you don't even need sine law, you can do SOHCAHTOA. It's the right angle. So
Mm.
you have the hypotenuse,
Yes,
you
sir,
have the
because
opposite side.
It's only learning how to drive. You don't need a license.
I don't. I know how to drive
Special
already.
case of
They don't
sine
know
law.
that.
So you use sine because you have the opposite side of the
Laughing.
hypotenuse.
That's so
Sine
much.
So like,
of
how many
theta
times do you drive without your license?
O
Have you done it before?
H
A lot.
theta equals inverse sine
No, like you have to create a habit of bringing the wallet with you every single day. Like,
I know I do.
I don't know what that angle is.
It's just a number of this
You guys can figure it out.
when your grandma's driving you
That's our
somewhere,
angle.
she
So
dies
that's
from a
one
heart
part of the
attack.
question. It says,
How are you gonna get home?
where must the boat head in order to reach its
How are you gonna get to the
destination?
funeral home?
That's the heading that
With
you need,
grandma on your
because
back.
this is the boat's motion relative to the water. That needs
You
to
need
be
your
calculated.
license. If you get caught with your license, you're as dead as your
Now,
grandma.
you need to calculate how long of a trip will it be. So it says, how long of a trip will it be? This is its resultant motion. This is its actual motion. This is its heading. The boat needs to head that way in order to actually go this way to overcome the water. But this is the resultant motion. So how long will it take, or how long will the trip be? This is its actual motion. It's not actually moving at 8 meters per second. That's its max speed. That's what its speedometer reads. But it's not actually traveling that way. The resultant vector is. So how long will the trip be? It's R times,
Just look at like a lesson.
or sorry, 400 divided by R. Yes.
I'll probably teach you today, but
Yes.
make sure you have your picture with your health card.
In here?
Just because I
That's
get
plus.
so they know it's not a random kid entering a car.
Is this the thing we did yesterday with like 100? Or you did?
Oh, you're right. Yeah, no, you're right. I did it wrong. Yeah, I did it wrong.
You're trying to teach us here, and you don't even know how to do the question.
Be quiet. Get out of here.
I'm unfollowing YouTuber. Go make some flat earth.
Go make some
This
We're
is.
all unsubscribing.
Thank you
I'm
guys.
not gonna follow you.
H squared is the hypotenuse.
We got a test tomorrow, and
2
You
squared
can't be saying that when you're this popular.
R squared.
You gotta watch it,
And
right?
then you can figure out what R is from there.
Kelton, watch your back. Watch your back.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kelton, watch your back.
Take the time from the.
This stuff? This stuff?
What's up, guys?
Because I wasn't really sure actually how you get the time.
Yes, so once you calculate
Kelton, this
R,
is stuff.
then you have the speed, and you have the distance, then you calculate time. You know that it's traveling, it's actually traveling R meters per second, and it travels.
Oh, the squared mass unfollowing.
So,
No, but like, so does that mean we use like the actual distance? I thought you used like the R distance.
yes,
Use the R distance.
R is not a distance, R is a speed.
I thought you'd have to calculate the R.
Yes, you do have to calculate R.
No, I mean the displacement for R. Do you have to calculate that? Yeah. Just use the normal.
What are you laughing at?
400 meters is that.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my
I thought
gosh.
you'd have to calculate the
Oh
displacement.
boy.
So that is the same thing. In this context, it's the same thing. Displacement has a direction.
This is the reason why I think.
It's the same value.
What?
It's 400 meters. So the distance is 400 meters. The displacement is 400 meters north. But it's the same thing.
Okay.
They're both 400.
So I thought
400 divided by like 7.7, would that get you how far you can travel?
You're telling me his mistakes are leading to my unsubscribers?
T equals D over V.
He's trying to teach us something.
Calculate R.
Yeah, R is 7.
Oh my gosh, probably getting it back the stream.
Going on subscribe right now.
R, huh?
He's already
I
down.
will, bro, I will.
He's already down over.
Per second.
You're not even gonna reach 10K by the end of the week.
So 400 meters.
It's crazy, bro. I was
Divided
about
by
to spend $10,000 promoting you, but I'm
meters
not
per
gonna.
second.
Oh yeah.
Gives you
Okay,
T equals how many seconds? 4.
Can't record this. Sorry, bro.
Actually, mass reports don't do
So that's
it.
how long it
What if I
takes to
record a
cross.
video called Craig Squared Math, and then I make that happen, and then I steal all your followers?
wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is it like, I thought, Why is it like 8 squared equals 2 squared plus r? Why?
Because 8 is the hypotenuse.
That's another way to get.
Oh,
Yeah. So that was the mistake I made. I was putting this as the hypotenuse, but it's not the hypotenuse. It's one of the
Again, why is he teaching like that? If he doesn't know how to do it.
Sure.
I stand by my
A lot
statement.
of them.
Yeah, probably.
So the result of this is like this, you go from the straight into the current and then the
Well,
eight.
this is Dennis doing.
I think that's where I started. Okay, thank you. No problem.
Do you have a picture of your driver's license?
I don't actually think I might actually.
Not
Did
even when you
everybody
first
follow
got
my
it.
thought process here?
Yeah,
This is the relative motion that I talked about.
I swear.
yesterday. Okay? Because the 8 meters per second is how fast the boat is traveling relative to the water, not relative to the land. So that's not its actual motion. That's how fast the boat can go, and that's the direction that it has to go in order to cross directly across the river, in order to go north.
wait, doesn't that make r one?
Say it, Judah?
It's gonna say what it's relative to on the question.
It might not. Like this question says, so it tells you,
That's up, Jack.
but it doesn't say it. It might not necessarily say it in those words. So
We're
it
gonna
says
end
the
the
boat is
stream,
capable
listen
of
to
moving